Yeah, man, you know, I had to get that bad ass refrigerator right. You know, I gotta do it too, son. We gonna get this thing started, man. Yeah. All in the refrigerator. Got me some ketchup. You better ketchup. All in the refrigerator. Got me some pizza. Oh, there, pizza. Yeah. All in the refrigerator. Got me some corn. Oh, there, corn. All in the refrigerator. Got me some champagne. I drink this, man. All in the refrigerator. Got me some chicken. Fried chicken. Little fried chicken. All in the refrigerator. Got me some salad. All in the refrigerator. Well, I'm not a vegetarian. I don't eat salad. All in the refrigerator. Got me some Jello. Jiggle ass Jello. All in the refrigerator. Got me some juice. Nasty juice. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator. Got some Denny's butter. What the fuck? Throw it in the trash. All in the refrigerator. Got some bad ass eggs in the morning. Gotta cook. What the fuck? All in the refrigerator. Got green biscuits, black layers, butter biscuits. All in the refrigerator. Got some strawberry jelly, strawberry jam, strawberry jelly. All in the refrigerator. Can't forget the ranch. That's empty. Got some more blue cheese dipping. All in the refrigerator. Got some Miracle Whip. That's empty.
Flipping her upside down.
All in the refrigerator. Got some relish, hot dog relish, fucking relish. All in the kitchen. All got me some Miracle Whip. This shit is nasty. I don't recommend this. All in the refrigerator. Got me some milk for cookies. All in the refrigerator. Got me some that's chicken. All in the refrigerator. Got me some sausage meat. Oh, and sausage meat. All in the refrigerator. Got some bacon. Got to fry it up. All in the refrigerator. Since I'm black, you know I got to have this. Yeah, all in the refrigerator. Got some bologna meat. All in the refrigerator. Got me some. Goddamn. Some sliced up cheese. Gotta make me a grilled cheese. All in the refrigerator. Okay, now I'm at the refrigerator. Got to go to the freezer. Got me some Cool Whip up in the freezer. Cool Whip. This shit empty. Still got some though. All in the refrigerator. Got me some ice cubes. All in the refrigerator. Got me some mixed apple pie, but it ain't cooked, so bye. All in the refrigerator. Got me some bagels. All in the refrigerator. Got me some throw up. All in the refrigerator.
You're in the freezer.
The freezer. Got me some chicken. All in the freezer. I guess I'm done. Oh, wait, one more time. All in the refrigerator. Got me some pecan. Man, I'm done. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go a little farther. You know I had to do it. All in the cabinet, dog. Got me some Quaker Life cereal. All in the cabinet, dog. Got me some Kool-Aid. Because I'm black, you know I need some Kool-Aid. All in the cabinet, dog. Got me some Frosted Toasted Crunch. FCC, and it's new. All in the cabinet, dog. What do I got there? Can't see the phone. What do I got there? All in the cabinet, dog. Got me some Ritz crackers. Brand new. Got some Ritz crackers. All in candy, dog. Got some hamburger help. Yeah. Hamburger help. Yeah. Hamburger help. Yeah. Oh, little candy, dog. Got me some crackers.
Yeah.
Some crackers.
Premium.
You got the crackers?
Yeah.
Oh, little candy, dog. Got me some pancake mix. Pancake mix. This shit is the shit. Oh, little candy, dog. Let's get the real building. That's cake powder. That cake powder. Oh, in the kitchen, dog. In the cabinet. Got me some gelatin. Some gelatin. This one ain't made. All in the candy, dog. All in the candy, dog. In the candy. Got some macaroni cheese. Macaroni cheese. Macaroni cheese.
Yeah.
All in the kitchen, dog. What do I got need? What do I got need? What do I got need? All in the candy, dog. Got me some spaghetti. Got me some spaghetti. Some spaghetti. Put it in the cook. So put that shit back. All in the candy, dog. Got some over there rice. Baby bag of rice. Baby bag of rice. All in the kitchen, dog. In the cabinet. You know I had to bring this out. Cause you know I'll be snacking. All in the cabinet, dog. Got me some cornflakes. Some cornflakes. Cornflakes. All in the cabinet, dog. Got some ice cream bowls. Ice cream bowls. Man, the mud swole. Okay.
Very, very old.
Now I'm getting tired. That's all I have for y'all. Oh, just the other day, I was in my cabin, and I had some Pop-Tarts.
Cookies and cream Pop-Tarts.
Yeah. Ain't no more, so got to go to the store and buy some more. Now I'm done with the refrigerator wrap, the freezer wrap, and the cabinet wrap. Subscribe to the channel. If you don't, I'm gonna visit your house. Nothing.
I'll be in the shower now when you sleep.
I'm gonna get you to sleep.
I'll be in the shower.